SINOTRUK HOWO 6x645 meter aerial work platform truck combines a powerful 330 horsepower, all-wheel drive off-road chassis with an advanced 18-sided grade, 960 high-strength steel telescopic boom, specifically engineered for extreme power grid and wind farm maintenance in harsh Arctic environments down to 40C, driven by a premium KAIMEI proportional hydraulic system and a high-precision DUMAN intelligent MCU. The vehicle ensures exceptionally smooth, zero-jitter high-altitude positioning and multi-action compounding. Its symmetric dual vertical slewing motors completely eliminate mechanical backlash to minimize lateral basket sway in high winds, while the extra-wide outriggers provide maximum stability backed by automated soft leg detection and automatic chassis leveling, fully certified for export with a Russian-labeled interface. The spacious 500 GG capacity aluminum basket integrates a 3000W onboard power inverter with chain circuit protection, a remote engine start or stop system, and an independent 24 volts DC emergency auxiliary pump to guarantee absolute operator safety and fluid field productivity.